Coco chair. Oh, Cookie. My pretty Coco. Koko was born back in the 1940s. Can you imagine that? He's as old as Chuck Norris. At 84 years old, he can be a little grumpy sometimes, especially when he's inspecting the bed sheets to make sure they meet his standards. And if you look closely, he even stands like an old grandpa. But everything changed when he came into Koko's life. Koko was rescued by the police after being mistreated. My friend offered him a home, but Koko didn't trust people anymore. We visited him for years, but Koko barely even looked at me. Then, one day, my friend could no longer take care of him. Koko still didn't like me, but by then, I was already in love with this old feathery soul. It took a very long time, but with endless patience and lots of treats, we finally earned his trust. Once he settled in, we noticed he couldn't see very well. The vet told us he had a serious eye problem. It needed to be removed. Because of his age, we were terrified he wouldn't survive the anesthesia. But he was in pain every day, and we couldn't let him suffer any longer. After the surgery and a few weeks of recovery, we started to see a completely different bird. Before, he would just sleep all day, and we thought, yep, he's a true grandpa. But we were wrong. And then came Chico. Chico is only 21, much younger, and he makes Koko feel young again. Wherever Chico goes, Koko follows. It's the sweetest thing to watch because birds need companionship. It's so important for them. When Koko came to us, we were told he only had 1 year to live, but it's been over 7 years now. He's still the boss of the house. We're so proud of how strong he is, and we truly believe his friendship with Chico is one of the reasons he's lived this long. It's magical what a good friend can do.